Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and today I'm going to talk to you about our latest thing for our unique Thursday, and it's two-tone leather shoelaces. But I want to tell you how I got into making shoelaces and why I made them. And so come down here and look at my little stuff. Okay, first of all, I have three pairs of these shoes because I liked them so much. I bought three pair, and this is pair number two. The first pair I got, the shoelaces, they just broke after about 2 months, right? Like this, and they got all ratty looking. This is just 2 months. And so I took our sailboat leather like this, and I made these shoelaces. Now these shoelaces have lasted me 2.5 years, and I never had a, I mean, that's it, 2.5 years. And they've gone through the first pair of shoes and this second pair of shoes. I might make some new ones for the third, but these are still good. Let me show you a couple things, and I've learned a lot about making shoelaces since this, but 2.5 years for shoelaces is a long time, and I wear these shoes every single day. They probably look like it. That's probably what you're thinking. But look, see here, the shoelaces are still strong. They're not ratted up over here. Here where you tie them, they are delaminating some. You can see the two pieces of leather there. They're good over here on the ends though. Another thing, I don't know if you walk with your shoelaces untied sometimes, or they just get untied and you walk on them. Typically what will happen is this hard part here breaks off, and then they get all ratty at the ends. With leather, and I walk with my shoelaces untied, with my shoes untied all the time, and nothing happens to the ends of the leather shoelaces. So that's just a brief history of why I started making shoelaces. Basically because the ones that came with the shoes broke in 2 months, and I went I couldn't find any blue shoelaces. So I made my own blue shoelaces out of these two really floppy pieces of leather here. So how do we do it? And by the way, so this is all about the product we're offering, custom two-tone leather shoelaces. And they come in like 7-foot sections of laces. And this is one we made. I made this yesterday, purple and pink, right? So if you're a little girl and watching this, or know of a little girl, this is a great color for them. But you can do anything. And what I did is I made, I'm going to show you how I make the lace right now. So basically, here's a book press. And what we do is we take pieces of leather like this, and we laminate them together. And then we put them under pressure, because two things make things stick really well: pressure and time. And so here's a book press. So I'm going to take this off here, like that, and here. And we have here, there it is, black and red. So we put a lot of paste on, and when we put this under pressure, it just, that paste sinks into the pores and makes a really good, good lamination. So that helps to eliminate this kind of thing where they're delaminating after 2.5 years. Not that 2.5 years is bad. Anyway, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the center point of this piece of leather. This is about 4 inches square, and this will make about a 7-foot piece of lace. And then I'm just going to cut it off here. Now, if you want to do this yourself, go ahead. That's why I'm showing you. There you go. Joel got that. So you end up with this right in the middle. This is my lace cutter, or my lace maker. So I'm just going to stick this in like right here, and see that, how it starts to make the lace? And then I'm going to pull on it, and until it starts rounding up better. It could break just like it just did. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. Pulling the lace. So this lace is going to be about between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch thick. So here it is. And out of that, whoops, let's see, I'm 6 feet tall. This is on the floor with my foot. So 6 feet plus this. So this is about 8 feet. But you're going to get in this at least 7 feet. Now here, stuff like this at the end, we just take that off. And we'll cut off a nice little edge for you like that. We do go through the lace to make sure it's all going to be solid for you. And like right there, we'll cut that off too, because that's part of the beginning or the end. Oops. There. And so here is the finished piece of black and red 7+ foot long shoelaces. And we have 12 different leather colors. That means there's 144 different combinations. That's it. Get your custom leather laces today. It's good for this. We're going to offer this one day, Unique Thursday, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and the little demo here, and hope you didn't mind seeing my shoes all used. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.